Did you know that having high water pressure in your home, it's kind of like having high blood pressure in your body? Look, you might be able to live with it, but over time, that pressure is going to cause lots of damage. So today, we're checking water pressure. Now, if you have unchecked high water pressure, that can lead to serious issues in your home. This is how. First, that pressure relentlessly pushes against the seals and cartridges in your home and all your faucets, causing them to fail. And before you know it, that's going to cause irritating drips. Second, the high water pressure can literally blow apart the toilet tank. Just kidding. That's only going to cause malfunctioning in the seals and gaskets inside your tank. But look, that can lead to excessive water usage. Before you know it, you're dealing with irritating drips. And finally, that loud banging noise you might hear in your pipes, that's called high water hammer. Boom! Look, high water pressure can cause this expansion tank to fail prematurely, and that causes those noisy disturbances in your piping. High water pressure can also fast-track your water heater's trip to the graveyard. Do you want that? Look, sometimes this water pressure will manifest in itself in a failing temperature and pressure relief valve. Or worse, it could make the entire tank to fail. Now this goes for both a tankless unit and a regular tank style. And before you go, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Educate your loved ones about the risks and solutions about not only high water pressure, but also maybe some high blood pressure. Be great. Thanks for watching.